I'm going to keep this short and keep you YouTuber police off my back with a few disclaimers. Number one, scrap value is always the lowest price for an item, just above garbage. So if you bring something home that works or has working parts, consider selling it on Craigslist, eBay. That's actually how I make a lot of money. Number two, scrap prices change with the stock market. Good rule of thumb, like I stated, but not fact. When oil prices are high, usually scrap prices go up, and then vice versa. For the purpose of this video, I just stated the prices from the last trip I made, so they're not going to be your prices. So I'm just using these as comparisons for the video. Number three, come on, use common sense. We're working with metals. They're sharp. They have sharp edges. Wear gloves, protective eye gear. Do what you need to do to keep yourself from going to the hospital and cutting to any profit you might make.
Hey folks, Chris here, and here is a short one on is it worth your time scrapping a hair dryer. If you haven't seen my videos before, I don't show you how to scrap something. I just try to get you in a ballpark of what something is worth. Just throw it in the back of the car and taking straight to the scrapyard to spending a few minutes at home tearing it apart. So let's get started. I've got this hair dryer right here, and we're going to get you a baseline and get this thing started. My videos are no way to persuade you to do things one way or the other. We all scrap at our own pace. We all scrap in our own way. This is just a personal experiment to reevaluate how I've been doing things for over 20 years. I hope you take something out of this. Good or bad, comment below. Just let me know. I'm a big boy, I can take it. Again, I appreciate it. Until next time.